everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 499 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm trying out another LA Colors Dollar Tree makeup product. This is the Matte Liquid Liner and I got this in the shade Matte Black. I've tried out some other LA Colors liquid eyeliners before, but not their matte version. So I was excited to find this at the Dollar Tree. And since I found this at the Dollar Tree, it was only $1. All right, let's check out this applicator. Yes, it's a brush tipped applicator. I just find those so much easier to work with when doing liquid eyeliner because I'm still not very good at liquid eyeliner. And I need like a flexible, very thin applicator in order to do it. Those like stiff, large felt tips are such a disaster when I try to use them. But so let's start out by swatching this. Like it's just so easy to draw a line, and that is full pigment, fully black. I'm going to try and line my upper lash line. Oh, I was doing so well, and then I got that stray line. I love how much product this applicator holds. Like you can do your entire eye, the entire line, without having to dip back in for more eyeliner ink. Wow, and it's so precise. You can get such a skinny line. Okay, let's see if I can do a wing. But aside from my little mess up there, that was very easy to line my upper lash line. I want to do a very small wing. I feel like a lot of times I really overdo the size. Hey, I did it! That looks pretty good. And that is sharp too. Wow, this really is so easy to work with. Let's see if I just wanted to take it a little bit along the lower lash line. So at this point, if I wanted to just rub away that mark, the liner has already dried down. Yeah, it's not going to smudge one bit. It's not fading at all. I don't know, it does kind of have a little bit of shine to it. It is like more matte than a regular eyeliner, but it's still a little bit shiny. Like if I didn't know that this was supposed to be a matte eyeliner, I would not have thought that it looked matte. I would think that it's just like a normal black eyeliner. But I mean, it's so long lasting. I don't have to worry about it smudging. It's so easy to apply. I really like this. I feel like this is basically a dupe for that e.l.f. liquid eyeliner. I'm gonna try it again and do the other eye. Okay, now I have the liner on both eyes, and I just love this eyeliner. I feel like it's one of the best liquid eyeliners that I've used because it's a great formula, so easy to work with, and it's only $1. So I feel like this is definitely worth getting. If you like liquid eyeliner, I definitely think that you should try this. And if you have tried this, let me know in the comments down below your thoughts on it. This is a product that I'm excited to have in my collection so that I can really practice my winged eyeliner skills. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.